How to upload CapCut videos to YouTube.
Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started.
Now, first of all, go to the CapCut application on your device. Make sure it is updated to its latest version to avoid any sort of glitches. Then we're going to go onto the home page of the CapCut application. We're going to choose any video that we want to upload. For example, I'm selecting this one. Then tap on the video and tap on the arrow button at the top right corner of the screen to export. So wait until the video gets exported and you can see the options available at the bottom. Then tap on the three dotted lines and you can just swipe. Here you can see the options of YouTube. Then just tap on the option of YouTube. And then it will lead you to a new page of YouTube with a video attached to it, where you need to add your details such as the title of the video, your description, location, and many more. Then tap on next and your CapCut video will be uploaded on YouTube.
So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.